G'day, here's a small deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. I believe it's out near the Opalton area. The material's quite hard, so it polishes nicely. The rule's in millimetres. The material's been wetted, and the white that you can see is the reflection from the lights. I've just brought the camera in a little bit so you can see the material a little bit better. It's got a nice green flash on this face and blue-green on this one. These are a bit more obvious. I just cut that into a stone like this, like a oval or something. It's double-sided, it's got a little hole in it that side. This piece is quite nice, it's reds. It's been semi-polished with a Dremel. Needs a bit more work, I think, but a nice stain in the middle there. Just the right size, ready to shape and finish. This piece I just basically threw in, a little bit of colour in that floating through here, but not a lot. This piece, just nice veins of colour, just cut and polish it the way it is. This side's the better side. It's thick enough ready to cut and shape. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.